What's up, guys? Today is the day, the B day. Officially 30 years old, guys. Look good, feel good. I'm blessed. Thank God I seen 30 right now because, guys, you don't know, it's the 30th chapter in my life. So I feel good, guys. I don't know what's coming next, but y'all already know it's gonna be good things, man. Good things, positive vibes. Y'all already know. Internal Lifestyle family. Y'all always coming along with us. Y'all always gonna see the journey. So yeah, guys, man. Right now, we're basically what we doing. We setting up. So here, I actually want to explain this to you guys. Right here, I seen actually on TikTok. It was kind of like a drinking game, but here you put like some shots and then you flip the red card. And if you get the drink on that person's side, they get to take the shot. So guys, we got some food going on. Wifey cooked the turkey. You know, we got the turkey up in there in the oven. Y'all already know. Got a little decoration. That's gonna be the theme right there, silver and black.
You're supposed to be seeing your own stuff, babe. Like, literally, it's so terrible. Everything, like, you can't even, like, do
So
some
what?
of the stuff from the love because, like,
Come on, guys. I'm 30. Like, I know there gotta be surprises, but I literally went with her and actually went and picked out a theme for the B day. You know, a little something light.
I picked out the theme.
And you know, we gotta get lit, guys. You already know. Babe, come here and show them how beautiful you look.
I'm
God,
just
she
getting
looking
ready
hot.
at night. This is
She
just
looking
a
hot.
quick look so that I'm not, like, raggedy all freaking day. I hardly even
That's
get
something
dressed.
light. Show them the outfit. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, guys. So I'm about to just change my clothes because I got workout clothes on. So we could get straight into this vlog, guys, and bring you guys along a little bit with us. So, guys, you already know I had to change the outfit real quick to match my baby. You already know. But this isn't what we are actually wearing, guys. So we're gonna actually be all in white. Y'all already know. Y'all gotta see wifey's dress. It's on fire. We
It's a
gonna be
little
looking
something.
fire.
It's not all fire. I was actually gonna wear my black outfit. My black outfit's fire, but honey picked white, so we're gonna go with the white. So.
Gotta stay in white. You already
Can
know.
you fix my finger?
So guys, I'm over here. Gotta fix my baby's finger up.
My boo boo and my bootleg splint. Don't make fun of my splint, guys. So y'all can make fun of it. Matter of fact, I don't care. But
It actually came healed really good.
yeah, I'd say one more day with the splint, and I probably won't even need it because it's actually like the finger. Well, the skin has adhesed to each other already. Where I don't think if I like bend the finger, it'll open up the wound.
What's up, Eternal Lifestyle? Welcome back to another lit video. You already know it's your boy Chris.
And your girl Crystal.
And if you're new to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button, click that bell, turn on your post notifications, and come and join the family. Oh my God. Today is a wonderful day, guys, as you can see. I feel good. Like, I'm 30, guys. Like, wow. That's crazy. Like,
You made it, my love.
I feel good, though, guys. I feel healthy. I feel strong.
It's definitely a blessing nowadays, guys, with everything that's going on. But not even that. It's just like where we come from, like where we're from. It's just that, you know, you basically like, there's so many people who freaking, you got a whole bunch of young, I don't even know what they call it. What do you call it?
Youngins.
No, when people like, you know, in the head, like they die young.
People in the hood, yeah, we die young.
Yeah, but I don't know. It's just like a lot of people.
I don't know how to say it, but
Well, anyways, but where we're from, guys, it's like really crazy because a lot of people die young. Like some people don't even make it to like 18 or even 24. Everybody's just like always getting killed. So it's definitely a blessing to see 30.
yes,
You know.
indeed.
We are blessed. I'm loving it. It's nice outside. It's actually very sunny. I'm hoping it don't rain all freaking day because we got a lot of stuff to do, guys. A lot. Alright, guys, so I actually have to get this in before Christopher even gets back. We had to stop and get gas because we were like, so before he comes back out, guys, we are going to be vlogging today, but today's just not a regular vlog. Today I'm actually going to be making dirty noises to see how my boyfriend reacts. What? I know. But I don't want I don't want to make it too cringe. So I'm just gonna try and see how he reacts. If he reacts, then I'm going all in. But if he don't react at all and just like, okay, I don't know, I'm gonna just be like, babe. But guys, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. We're posting every single day except Thursdays and Fridays, guys. So 5 days a week, make sure you guys tune in and we're gonna get this video started.
Alright, my love, so where to?
To get the balloons filled. Guys, it's so freaking hot. Oh my goodness, it feels like it's 128,000 degrees in Florida.
Did you get the balloons?
I got some of them. Watch, you're gonna hit the freaking sidewalk.
I can't wait to put shorts on because I'm in jeans right now.
I really don't like jeans.
For real.
I'd rather my leggings. Leggings is it, or dress, or sundress, something like that. But it is hot. I think it's hot enough. Maybe we can get some ice cream. You wanna get some ice cream?
You want to eat ice cream?
It's hot. We need a cool
That sounds
off.
good right now, ice cream.
Yeah?
What are you getting, my love? Oh, yeah, that's right. We got to get some. Damn, girl. You looking fire.
I love you. I came here for something. Black balloons.
She looking fire.
Ah, don't tell me this.
She looking good, guys. I'm blessed. I got something very, very nice. Oh, my Lord. I hate wearing this mask, bro.
White, novelty girl, gold, yellow. How do you have yellow and not have black? I don't understand. Is this just not, it's not norm? This might be something for Walmart.
Damn, God, this is a nice background. I love standing behind you. Oh, what we got? What we got?
They have the cones, but they don't have those cones that I like. I think I'm gonna end up having to buy the box.
You gonna get the box?
Yes.
You wildin'.
I'm only gonna eat one.
You wildin'.
I'll give the other one to the baby.
Guys, this woman is literally about to buy a box of ice cream. Like, I told her no more ice cream. Like, seriously.
Was it with the peanuts that we did last time, Chris?
What?
It was with the peanuts? Oh my God.
Let me see that.
Vanilla caramel, no artificial flavors.
Drumsticks.
Some drums.
This is good. Damn, why you over exaggerating? Why are you doing that?
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
This is really good, bro. My love, you over exaggerating, bro. What you doing? Why you doing that?
It's good.
Why you making that sound for? Don't make that sound.
It's hot. I gotta
sound like you're moaning.
I'm not moaning. I'm enjoying my ice cream. Oh my God.
I can see.
Oh my goodness. Oh. It's the chocolate. I think it's the chocolate. It's got me like all over the place.
For real? You got that crazy like that for
Oh
something?
my God. It's so good. You're almost done.
I'm done with this. Right now.
you gotta make all that noise now?
Mine's got to be way better than yours.
Mine's is good. It's the same shit. How's is better?
I'm trying to get to the caramel. It's so good. Oh my god. This is so good.
Guys, y'all gotta try this. The drumsticks.
Mm. It's amazing.
I can tell, my love. You're really into that shit.
Oh my god, I'm almost to the caramel. What?
Why you doing that? Why you acting like that for?
I'm trying to get to the caramel. It's like frozen today. Come out. Mm. And it's melting. Mm. Mm.
When you get to the chocolate, best part.
Oh my god. I so miss this. You don't even understand how
Baby
long
wildin'.
I feel like this has been like.
Wildin' right now, chill.
What? I'm a.
Why you making no sounds like that? Chill out, bro.
What are
You
you
got
talking
me
about?
hot. You got me over. You about to get in trouble.
What are you talking about? I'm trying to
Don't be moaning like that.
Mm.
Why you doing stuff like that?
I'm not doing nothing. I'm in my ice cream.
It sounds weird. Like,
Like what? It's so good.
unbelievable. You literally don't. I ain't gonna put this up. You keep doing that.
Oh my god. This is.
You look fire today. You look fire.
Mm.
What? Let me get a kiss. You turning me on, man. You better stop. Second that.
I'm not fluffing. What's wrong with you?
Stop playing with me, yo. You doing things that's not good right now. You gonna get us demonetized.
I'm almost up to the caramel.
I can just sit
almost
here
there.
and watch you.
I'm almost there.
So where? The chocolate? Oh, the
Caramel.
caramel? Guys, what's wrong with you? Like,
This is so good.
excuse me. I'm telling you right now, I can have another one. What is this? What are you doing? Bye.
What happened? That was so good.
Seriously? My love,
What?
you're looking fire. So guys, today is a very, very long day for us. Babe,
What?
I'm talking. Stop doing that.
I'm going for caramel. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Are you serious?
Oh my god.
Like, I can't even talk to Internal Lifestyle without you
Oh
doing
my.
some weird ass sounds.
This is what I wanted.
You're hilarious, yo.
It's so good.
What we gonna do after that ice cream? You know what I'm about to do? You wanna find out?
I'm gonna enjoy my ice cream.
You see this woman?
What?
Why are you doing that?
Doing what?
Like, you completely, like, just forgot about the video. Like, you really... Anyway, guys, so, like I was saying, We gotta take all this stuff out the oven, chop it up, and man, I can't wait to eat that dinner, bro. Seriously. That was mad weird.
What?
What are you doing?
Oh my god. That was the best thing in my life.
I could give you the best thing in your life.
No, this is just. Babe, my turkey smell. Oh, scrumptious. Oh, my goodness. Woo, guys, look at that. My turkey is coming out so nice.
I don't show them yet. We gotta pull it out.
Oh yeah, pull it out.
It's done.
I'm done. What?
You done?
I mean, you don't want to take your time? Let it take its time. It might take some time to be done. I don't think it's done yet. I wouldn't be done that fast. What?
What?
What happened?
What did you just say?
Why are you looking at me like that?
What did you say? What are you doing, my love? Like,
you smell mad good.
I know I smell good. Thank you. What are you doing?
I'm about to get this freaking. I left without the string for the balloon, guys. Like, seriously, girlfriend need to do something with herself because, like, where the heck am I? Oh.
You joking. Now you over exaggerating. What are you doing to me, my love? Are you pranking me?
With what?
Because it just went from a vlog to weird, awkward.
That ice cream was amazing. This water has me so refreshed. What? I feel like I'm brand new.
You look
What
fire.
is wrong with you?
You look fire.
Thank you. This banger tasted amazing too, oh my god. Okay.
Enough for you, bro, because
What's
you got
wrong
me
with
going.
you?
You got me going crazy right now. What are you doing? Like, seriously.
What do you mean?
Like, what is she doing?
Frankie.
See, I knew it. Come on, like, this is supposed to be a vlog.
I know, but I told them it
What
wasn't
prank
gonna
is
be
this?
live. You don't want to know.
Please tell me.
What do you think?
The Internal Lifestyle. It's supposed to be a vlog. Not no prank. What is the prank?
I can
What
prank
is
you
the
on
prank?
your birthday.
What's the prank? What's the prank? Say it.
I can't say it. Making dirty noises to see how my boyfriend reacts.
Oh, come on. That's why you wanted to go get the ice cream?
Yes, but the ice cream.
Lord have
But
mercy.
the ice cream was definitely bomb.com. Look how it's got me, guys.
Guys, we're going to end the video here. We love you. Y'all already know this woman is crazy, man. She's always doing some shit to me. But guys, we're going to chill and enjoy my B-Day. So thank you, everyone that wished me a happy birthday. We'll see you on the next video. But before we go, we do got to give a post notification shout out.
And we need to hit that 10K, guys. Make sure to get Christopher his birthday present. 10K all the way. We at 900.
9,900, guys. 100 more. 100 more family. Come
We
on.
on our way, guys. We're on our way. We're going to put up that 10K just to, like, give it to him no matter what. So, Internal Lifestyle family. Oh. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness, guys. But guys, today's daily post notification shout out goes to Ningmo Hassan. Shout out to you.
Shout out to you. You already know. We love you. Thank you for joining the Internal Lifestyle family. And whoever else would like a shout out, all you got to do is subscribe to Internal Lifestyle. Hit that bell. Turn on your post notifications. Comment in the comments. Hashtag Internal Lifestyle. And follow us on our social media. Everything will be in the description.
And if you guys did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.
It's your boy, Chris.
And your girl, Chris.
And we
We
out,
out, guys.
guys. Peace.
Bye, guys.